We're here in Sydney, Nova Scotia, guys, and we're going to show you how to get a little campfire going. We've been having a few little problems with it. We couldn't get the flames quite big enough, so we're going to add a little air. And we just got a new coach and chair last night, so we need something to do with the old one. We've been sitting around now for 2 evenings with the old one, and it's just time for it to go. So in tonight's events, we're going to be using a 60cc Echo backpack loader, a Stihl chainsaw, no gas, I know you see the jug, guys, and possibly the chop saw. We're going to wait and see how it goes. Now, we couldn't do it normal with a normal Stihl handheld blower. You know, we got to do it right here. So we're going with the backpack blower. Don't let the shoes and shirt fool you guys.
No, it's cool. It's welded up.
Yep. We may not need the blower due to the wife here this evening. By the way, after you go to a benefit dance, what else do you do? She was playing with the gas again. I know she was. Well, everything comes to a halt here. You gotta understand what kind of shape we're in here, guys. Paul, don't get a close up on it.
Well, pause it and edit. Coming.
Back on the ranch here in Sydney, Nova Scotia. We still need a little help on the fire here. And as you can see over there, it's not going too well, so we're gonna get some flames and then we're just gonna throw a little extra wood on. Oh, by the way, Cape Breton cup holder. It's the best way to go.
I thought my retarded friend almost lit me on fire. He's now going for the chainsaw.
We'll get back to you in 45, 50 seconds and you'll see exactly how it goes. Get the chunk taken out of the coach though. Give her a minute, she'll go. Are you kidding me?
You're recording.
So we're not quite sure on how the neighbors exactly take this.
Yeah. Meanwhile, it's 3 a.m. in the morning.
I think it's going pretty good. I mean, the neighbors don't seem to be too upset. Nobody's yelling. Police didn't come yet.
We'll turn over to the DW and see how the DW feels on this.
I'm just waiting for the sirens.
Wow, now we got a big fire now.
Not quite, but it's coming.
We almost have enough to heat our house. Because you know when we're at Cape Breton, there's not much here to keep us going. Oh, here's what's left of the sofa. He used to sit in this until he needed firewood. But this is what's left. As you can see, the chainsaw made pretty quick work of it. Wonder what else he could do with the chainsaw. He's a professional, you know. And look at the fire. And there's the DW again. Get in front of the fire there. Just in case anybody's just tuning in, the DW means the wife.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I've just been going for a while. Coach is now destroyed. No good for nothing, so I might also do like the ancestors and make a teepee. I don't know quite how the teepee's gonna go.
Why don't you tell them what last week when you fucking shoved stuff in there? Why don't you show them what you got last week?
I think the teepee idea just went bad there, sir.
Wow!
Very bad. Thought it was going to go bad.
That's alright. It's not going anyways. Let it burn. Could be worse. Somebody could have been under it. But for those of you that don't realize the fire hazard of having one of these older foam and insulated coaches, this is a very, very good example of why people die in fires.
But it's cigarette.
What a cigarette can do, exactly. Just that quick. 30, 40, 45 seconds tops. And everything you own is gone.
That fell in, and that's still blazing. They're feeding off each other.
You can see the left part of the wheelbarrow's starting to cone a little from the heat. Paul's drink holder still holding up tight.
Oh, the heat.
Wow. It's pretty warm.
Oh my God.
No, I'm good, thanks. I think the coach is going up in the middle. If it does, we're definitely making break if it does.
You should light her on.
No, no.
There's my Cape Breton beverage holder over there.
Just tuck in the house and pretend like we don't know what's going on. Well, it's been a good night, guys. Thanks a lot for coming out. Tune in next week. Same time, same place.
The effects, of smoking on a sectional sofa
From 1979.
from 1979, and a guy that's loaded filming it, and your favorite buddy doing the commentary.
That's me.
And the heat
Look at it tripping.
is enough to heat an Eskimo igloo for a week. Meanwhile, we're hoping the fire department did not show up.
If the sirens come, you live here. I'm gone. There's no doubt about it. I'm gone if the sirens come.
Wow.
Don't touch that, Jessica.
Fucking-
Jessica.
Recording.